Hey, I'm Pops the Reggae Bassist, aka Rikichi, whatever you want to call me. Name is Ronaldo Keith Jennings, but a lot of people call me Pops. And when I was playing reggae out here in Arizona, they called me just Pops the Reggae Bassist. Um, so, in getting started, there's one song that is really easy to learn, and it's an iconic song by Bob Marley, rest in peace. Natural Mystic. I'm sure if you play reggae bass or you listen to reggae anytime, you've heard that song numerous times. And it's one of the easiest bass lines. It's not really that hard. So now this bass here is a little cheap thing I bought off Amazon. It's got good tone to it. Pickups are okay. But it's a good friend of mine I used to play reggae with, one of the greatest reggae bass players out here in Arizona, Calvin, my friend Lewis, Calvin Poupon Lewis, who now lives out of Colorado Springs. I said, it ain't what you play, it's how you play. So he had a little small Fender amp, one wah-wah pedal, and a little sound effect, and a cheap guitar that was a Stratocaster copy, and he sounded phenomenal. Nobody could even get his sound. So, no worry. So, if you got a $5,000 bass you can't play, what difference does it make? Okay, so, Natural Mystic, real easy. So, as you know, the strings on bass, right, is E, A, right, D, G string, right, E, A, D, G, all right? And so, Natural Mystic, open E string, G, third fret on your first string, on your E string, third fret, to A, open, boom, 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 boom. Check it out. Boom, 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 boom. And however you want to play this, you see a lot of reggae bass players here to go, oh, you got to play, the technical side of it, or make sure that you're going down the fret with this little finger, and if you run the notes down, like keep your fingers. It don't matter. However it is that you can get to that note and make it yours and make it be comfortable with playing. If you want to play it like this, or you can go. You want to slide down, it's okay. I mean, the comfortability, being comfortable for me is I either put my pinky on that, or if it's something, see? But whatever's comfortable for you. Don't get all caught up in the hand position and and the dexterity thing. Don't forget that. However you deliver that note, what makes you feel comfortable, you do it that way, okay? So let's get to the bass. Let's get to the bass lines, all right? So it comes in, how. There's a night stick in the air. I can't sing now. Real easy. Boom, 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 boom. Change. Sing. Boom, 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 boom. On that D string, right? So on your A string. A, C, D, A, open A, C, third fret, to D, fifth fret, boom, 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 doom, 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 then boom, 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 boom. So here we go. Boom, 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 doom, 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 doom. Picture the song in your head. That's it. Nothing to it. So just remember, just play it slow at first. Open E. G, A, E, E, G, A, A, E, G, A, A, E, G, A, A, E, G, A, A. Okay? A, C, third fret, fifth fret. A, C, D, D, G, 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 I, G, A, boom, 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 boom. All right. Hope that helped you, man. If y'all want to learn that line, it's real simple. All right. Hey. So to the next little tutorial, man, I say I'm just gonna try to help you guys. I play the way I play, and my technique is my technique. Learn it your own way, however you deliver those notes, however you play those notes, phrase them. You play down here, or you play with a thumb. Whatever you do, just make it yours, okay? Peace.